Hey, all you Saladmaster chefs out there, I'm going to show you guys how to bake biscuits in our world famous 10-inch electric skillet. And if you have the 10-inch or the 12-inch, this is the booklet that comes with the 12-inch, which is identical. You can refer to page number 9, and it will give you your settings. And we're going to start out on 325 degrees for baking. So this skillet is not just for frying, it's for baking, cooking, grilling, anything you'd want to bake, cook, fry, broil, saute, fondue, stew, poach, stir fry, or braise. So we're just going to start out with some Pam. You could just spray it with butter, margarine, or anything that you want to add in it. We're going to open a can of biscuits. Just going to take and pop these babies open. Oh my goodness. And hope they pop open. Oh my God, I didn't know they were going to do that. And I'm curious to find out just how many this is going to hold. So this is a 8-pack biscuit, and we're just going to take and layer them in there, just like that. So we've got 3 in. That's 4 and 5 and 6, and I'm not sure, but we can get 7. I really don't know about this. So I guess we'll just squeeze them all together and get 8. But really and truly, 5 would work out perfect. If you just had a can of 4 or 5, it's all good. So we're going to hit that temperature button. We're going to run it to 325. And there we are. In about 8 minutes, I'm going to come back in and I'm going to take our spatula, I'm going to flip it over, and I'm going to leave them for 4 minutes. It's that simple. It's easy. Saladmaster makes it healthy, clean cooking, no metal contamination. Unlike other stainless steel, just keep on cooking and hit that follow button up there. Thank you all.